finna buy no hair? We all staying at home. Did you hear? Better pull some of that hair up out your stash. Cause you know ain't nobody got no cash. Who you trying to be so cute for anyway? You're just gonna be in the house all day. Just waiting to get your stimulus check. You don't care if your hair be a wreck. You better just take this time, brush up on your skills, for when we be back on the street for reals. YouTube, your girl Marcy to be back with a new video. This video is going to be using Mayde beauty products, their deep invisible lace crochet wig cap, some of their weaving hair, and some of their bulk crochet to make a DIY unit. I bought this wig cap and hair a few months ago, but now seemed like the perfect time to reach down in my stash, take the time, and make this unit. I'm using Mayde Beauty's Wet and Curly Weaving, their Ripple Deep Crochet Braiding Hair, a latch hook, a ventilating needle, and some duckbill clamps. Now let me just say right up front, I am not a professional wig maker. I don't even play one on TV. But I have made dozens of crochet units, although I think this is the first time I've actually tried to make one using weaving hair, and especially weaving hair combined with crochet bulk hair. I'm going to be using several techniques to make this unit, so please stay tuned. So I am cutting the tracks and then placing them on the wig cap and holding them in place with duckbill clips. Technique number 1, taking small strands of the bulk crochet hair to tie the weaving hair to the crochet wig cap. Technique number 2, sewing the weaving hair onto the crochet cap with thread. This method was a little difficult with this type of cap. It's actually easier with a cornrow cap. So I only did one row like this just for demonstration. Technique number 3, using one strand of the bulk crochet braiding hair but looping it twice to create a knot, and then continuing with that strand along the weft of the weaving hair as if you were sewing. This was the fastest and easiest way to attach the weaving hair to the crochet cap. used the continuous strand method until I got to the front of my unit, and there I went back to the individual strand technique, using very small strands to attach hair to the crochet wig cap, and especially to the lace, where I used a ventilating needle, and also created a crown closure at the top of my unit. My unit is all done. I worked on it off and on for about 3 days. I used 3 packs of the Wet and Curly Mayde Beauty weaving hair and about 2 packs of their Ripple Wave crochet braiding hair. Here's a quick 360 so you can see what the unit looks like front to back. YouTube, that'll do it for this video. Let me know what you think about this crochet weaving combo. Is this something you try? Have you tried it already? Please post any questions, comments below. I'll get back with you ASAP. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna try to post another video next weekend. Hope everyone is doing well. Until then, you know what I always say before I leave? Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.